In this video, we're going to show you how to replace your door panel courtesy light in your Ford Explorer. It's located right here in your lower door panel. Using a small pocket screwdriver, you can simply go in right to this back notch and gently pry out where that's going to allow you to pull out this whole entire lens unit. Set that aside. You're going to locate your bulb here. You're going to grab that and pull straight out. Take your new bulb, you want to go ahead and line that up, and you're going to go ahead and press it in, insert it. You'll feel it pop into place. Once that is in place, you can go ahead and install your lens cover here. Install your front tabs first, and then snap in the back.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.